Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iPad 9th Gen. To manage app permissions, go to Settings, then go to Apps, and now you can choose an app of which you want to change the permissions. I'm gonna choose Instagram, and now it shows me what it can access: Siri search, live activities, background app refresh. And you can click on the permission and change its settings or disable them like that. And you can do that for different apps, for example mail, music, or whatever, like hidden apps. I have X hidden, so I can set settings for it too. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.